Come here. Come here, my always hungry bird. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh. Hey, buddy. Come on. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on. I'm not I'm not feeding you. I'm not gonna feed you. That's what weaning a bird looks like. They want food. They want formula. He was eating seeds all morning. He just, I don't know. He just likes his formula, I guess. He's just a baby. But no, I'm done, baby. I'm done, sweetheart. No more. No more formula, buddy. No more formula. That's it. You're getting older. You're getting older, buddy. Older.